Hello, my name is Channing Albertson, and this is my Weebly. I just included one of my favorite quotes here, and then a picture of myself. And then first is my biography, which says, "Hello, my name is Channing Albertson. I am 19 years old and currently attend College of Western Idaho. I am on my second semester at CWI and plan on taking one more semester here until I am finished with my associates. After I receive my associates, my plan is to go to Boise State and get my degree in elementary education. The grade that I would prefer to teach is kindergarten or first grade. I am mostly just excited to become a teacher, so I will take any grade that is available." Next is my word assignment I embedded here. And then my Excel assignment, which is here. Unfortunately, it's a screenshot because my Excel won't let me save stuff. And then my PowerPoint assignment is here. And then my web quest is here. And then my other examples is here at the YouTube video. We'll go back to my web quest. See. Click there and then click here. I wasn't sure on how to embed it. So if we click here, you can see my lesson plan. And then the introduction has a picture of the ABCs. And then it says, "Welcome to class. I have a fun lesson planned for you with many activities to help you learn in the best way possible. As a kindergarten student, knowing your ABCs is very important at this age and being able to check off what you need to learn in this grade. We will be going over the letter C, and at the end of this lesson, you will know everything you need to know about the letter C. Let's begin." And then if we go to tasks, here it says learning the letter C, the task, and then the process is find an adult to do this lesson with. Your mom or dad would be glad to help you. Your first task of the day will be to think of all the objects that begin with the letter C. Your next task is to determine what sound the letter C makes. After that, you will then read the book called The Letter C. This book is provided in the binder that you are required to get at the beginning of the school year. If you need any help finding this book, have the adult help you look for it. Now you have everyone that lives in your household come together and explain to them what you read in the book. This was the group project part. And then if you go to the evaluation, students will be evaluated on a 1 to 3 scale. 1 being that they did not understand the letter, 2 being that they understood the letter but needed to work on the sound it makes, and then 3 being that the student understood the letter, what sound it made, and objects that started with the letter. And then on the conclusion, today students were able to learn the letter C, objects that begin with the letter C, and what sound the letter C makes. And then for the teacher page, it says, "This lesson is for kindergarten age students in the subject of reading." And then I just left the URL here where it will take you to the language arts and reading standards for all ages, but kindergarten is in there as well. So that's the end of my presentation.